I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've got the basics: account, server, bot access. First, join the image generation channel and read pinned prompts. Once done, set your bot role permissions so you can send messages and use /commands. Type the bot's activation /command, then test a simple prompt like /imagine sunrise over mountains. Make sure to include style or aspect ratio flags if desired. This immediate test confirms access and shows the response format you'll expand on next. You now craft prompts to control results. Begin with the subject and 3 to 5 descriptive adjectives, then layer in artistic style and technical tags so the bot understands mood and detail. Once that's done, append modifiers like aspect ratio, quality, or version flags to tune resolution and iteration speed. Make sure to separate ideas with commas and limit contradictions. If you want variations, use the bot's variation or remix command rather than rewriting from scratch. Which you're finishing, pick the best thumbnail, then upscale and export at full resolution. Once done, save files and note any usage restrictions or attribution requirements. If the bot fails or returns errors, first check your role permissions and whether the channel allows bot commands, then confirm you used correct flag syntax and that rate limits weren't exceeded. If outputs look off, tweak adjectives, try synonyms, or change style tags. With iteration, you'll converge on consistent, high-quality images.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.